Welcome to this presentation on Python dependency management. In this session, we will explore modern tools for managing Python packages and environments. Two prominent tools that we'll be discussing are Pipenv and Poetry. Pipenv combines pip and Virtualenv into a single tool with a simplified workflow. Poetry simplifies dependency management and packaging with a focus on ease of use. Why should we use modern dependency management tools? Let's examine the traditional challenges and how modern solutions address them. Traditionally, we face challenges such as manually managing requirements.txt files, handling the differences between development and production dependencies, resolving version conflicts between packages, setting up consistent virtual environments, and keeping track of transitive dependencies. Modern solutions offer automatic dependency resolution, lock files for reproducible environments, integrated virtual environment management, separation of development and production dependencies, and project-based configuration files. Let's get started with Pipenv. Pipenv combines pip and Virtualenv into a single tool, streamlining the workflow for managing Python dependencies. First, install Pipenv using pip install Pipenv. To create a new project, make a new directory and navigate into it. Then, initialize a new virtual environment with the command pipenv, Python 3.9. To manage dependencies, install packages using pipenv install requests. Install development dependencies with pipenv install pytest, dev. Finally, activate the environment by using the command pipenv shell. Now let's explore Poetry. Poetry is a tool for dependency management and packaging in Python, simplifying how you declare and manage your project's dependencies. To install Poetry, run the script from install.python-poetry.org. Create a new project using Poetry new my project, or initialize Poetry in an existing project with Poetry init. To add dependencies, use the command poetry add requests. To add development dependencies, use poetry at pytest dev. Activate the virtual environment with the command poetry shell. Let's compare Pipenv and Poetry across several features. Both tools offer dependency resolution, lock files, and virtual environment management. However, Pipenv has limited package building capabilities, while Poetry offers full support. Pipenv uses Twine for publishing to PyPI, while Poetry has built-in support. Pipenv offers basic project scaffolding, but Poetry has more comprehensive features. In conclusion, choose Pipenv for simpler projects with straightforward dependencies. Choose Poetry for more complex projects that require packaging and publishing. Both tools significantly improve upon traditional Python dependency management. Let's discuss some best practices for effective dependency management. Always use lock files to ensure reproducible builds across all environments. Regularly update dependencies to incorporate security fixes and new features. Use Pipenv update or Poetry update to do so. Keep development tools separate from production dependencies. Use semantic versioning constraints to specify acceptable version ranges such as requests equals to _2.25.0, which means greater than or equal to 2.25.0, but less than 3.0.0, or Flask equals to ~2.0.1, which means greater than or equal to 2.0.1, but less than 2.1.0. Regularly scan dependencies for security vulnerabilities, using Pipenv check or Poetry export pipe safety check. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.